Hello, I'm going to show you now how to record your reading log in Seesaw. Basically, what you do is you click into your Seesaw account and click on Activities, and you will see the reading log. You click Add Response. You find the student that you are, if you're not already logged in, and this will pop up. You have an example as your first slide, just so you can see what everything looks like. I'm going to click on the second slide and show you how we're going to add it. If you click here, the first thing to do is to draw with one of the drawing tools down here around each of the stars to show how many stars you give it. I'm going to pick the fun drawing tool, and I'm going to draw around 1, 2, 3 stars for this book. Then I'm going to click over here where it says camera. It looks like this. It's off to the side right here. I'm going to click that and hit photo because I want to put a photo of the cover here. Once I've done that, an image will pop up for you to take a picture of the book that you just read. So I'm going to click that. Here I am. Hello. And I'm going to click photo. I can be in the picture or I can just show the title. Your choice. And now my photo's here. I'm going to shrink it down so it can fit inside my purple box. And I'm going to put it right on top of there. So now I have a nice photo of me. Then I'm going to click back on the camera button again over here so that I can click video record. Here we go. Here's the video button. Click it. And here I am. I'm going to click one of these buttons. Any of them will work and start recording a video. Start recording. Hi, I'd like to talk about my book. It was a really great book. The main character was super funny. He was a white rat that got into lots of trouble. I would totally recommend this book. And then you hit pause and you click the done button in the corner when you are done and your recording will save. So done. And there's my video, and again I'm going to click it and drag it over to the green box and put it in. And now I'm done with my log entry. After I've done that, I click draft. Once all of my logs are filled in, I can click the green button to say that I'm done. But for now, this is a draft. So I've clicked draft. And there is a draft that the teacher will be able to see. And when you're all done, I will also see your full turned in one.